See how the earthing or the grounding affects your blood. We're going to take her blood, put it on the slide, microscopic slide, and take a look. As you can see, all her red blood cells are stacked up. This is called a stacked up cell. And see, let's go see if the earthing can help improve a little. They're actually earthing right now. Let's see how the earthing or the grounding has affected her blood. Okay. As you can see, the blood, before and after the earthing is obviously changed. So after you do that, the blood can circulate better.